Hi there, my name is Liam, Head of Technical here at the Prima, otherwise known as Yarmanac. Welcome to our latest instalment. In this video we'll be showing you this new smaller form factor SD4 product from Dahua. This is the perfect application for things such as multi-storey car parks, retail applications, as it is a slightly smaller footprint compared to the traditional PTZ that you might be accustomed to. It does benefit from some of the AI features and also comes with auto tracking, which is unusual for the SD4 product. Compared to some of this market competitors, it has some more advanced features, which we'll go through once you do the unboxing, and I can show you what it is capable of. So before we open the box, as you can see, there's been more information about the product itself. It is the SD4A425DB-HNY, which is a 4 megapixel 25 times optical zoom product by Dahua. So let's pop it open and go through this together. A little bit of an unboxing for you, and then we can go through some of the features as we unbox them. You can see where it actually benefits from. So here's all your accessories. That's the waterproof gland, your tool for being able to open the product, some fixings, which most people will not use, and a bit of an instruction manual. There's also your sticky template if you need to use that. It does come with a power supply, which is 12 volts. This camera does benefit from being used with 12 volts DC or also from PoE. And the packaging is a safety package for transit. Here we have the camera itself. So we'll take this out. As I said earlier in the introduction, as you can see, this particular camera will be perfect for things such as multi-storey car parks where height is an issue. This is with a smaller form factor, as I said. It's perfect for that kind of application. It won't underhang and won't cause you any issues with the chance of being hit by vehicles entering and exit, and also used for retail as it is so low profile. So I said, this is a powerful 25 times zoom and a 4 megapixel. So on the back of the camera itself, it has the bracket. It's obviously your for mounting the product. There'll be a range of accessories for this, whether it be wall mount or hanging from the pendant mount. But this particular product does have benefit from Starlight technology, so it works down to 0.005 lux, so it gives you exceptional image quality even at the lowest light levels. It does have the PFA technology, which is predictive focus algorithm, which gives you the benefit of the camera doesn't have to work so hard when it's zoom in, so it does it all for you. So as it's adjusting, as you're using the pan tilt function, it gives you predictive focus algorithm to give you perfect picture quality almost instantaneously. It does benefit from SMD, so it reduces your false alarms. So it does all with video filtering, so you can reduce motion detection issues and use your they're using the SMD functionality. Another key feature, it does have IP66 rating and a TVS 6000 volts lightning proof surge protection. So voltage transient protection up to 6000 volts. And going back to the low light levels of it, the camera, is designed to work in low light levels, giving clear images even in the darkest environments, which is great for, like I said, for car park solutions. It's very beneficial because some of the lighting in there isn't the greatest. Another key feature is the 100 meter IR compared to some of these market competitors, which only traditionally have 50 meter IR range. This has the benefit of having 6 IRs, which gives us a 100 meter range, which is excellent for that kind of functionality. It has a pan tilt which is full 360 degrees, and like some of the competitors again, which doesn't go a full 360 repetition, this camera does benefit for that. So let me pop the little cover off there and we will see what it's like on the board. So just before we pop this lid off, we'll go through the connections that are available to you. So on the fly lead itself, you have the RJ45 connection, the 12 volts DC connectivity. The unit does benefit from having 2 alarm in, 1 alarm output, which is on these fly leads, and also audio in and audio out via these fly leads. So we just pop this lid off this unit. Just like that, it comes off. So the unit itself does have the ability to have an SD card in there. So under this little compartment here, under this slot, not sure if you can quite see that there, you have, let me flip this round. You have the reset button in case that is needed at any point, and also the SD or micro SD card slot. This does have the ability to take up to 512 gig SD card. So this unit can be used standalone, or it can be used in conjunction with any Dahua recorder or VMS platform. So it's a powerful little camera, as I said, it can be used in loads of applications. It beats its closest market rivals in terms of the IR range on there. As I said, this does benefit from 6 IRs, which giving it a range of 100 meters compared to the closest market rival, which is 50 meters. 4 megapixel, 25 times zoom. Like I said, tons of applications for this. Great little product to be added to Dahua's portfolio. We'll be having this in stock very soon here at Prima. If you have any further questions regarding this product, or want to see any more of the features, please check out our other videos on our YouTube channel, such as setting up the auto tracking. If you'd like any more information, please get in touch with myself or any of the team here at Prima, and we'll be glad to help you in any way we can. Thank you very much. Speak to you all soon.